Hello and welcome to the video. This is a quick video to let you know there's a new version of a couple of the things that Shannon over at Sneaky FPV has released. These came out at the weekend, and this is something that I've been playing with over the last week. If you are using HD0, Walk Snail, DJI, DJI WT FOS, if you're flying Ardu Pilot, iNav, Betaflight, or loads of other things, then he not only provides custom fonts for your goggles, so you can get a beautiful on-screen display, but also critically, he also provides an on-screen display overlay tool. And that's the thing that was updated at the weekend. So if you go onto his website and you scroll down, you can actually see here that there's a new tool been released. If you have a look at it, it's on here. There's a free version available that you can try out. Full tool is something that you have to pay for. However, this stuff is so good and Shannon works so hard to get this stuff out. I don't think that 15 bucks is a particularly expensive price. Now, you can also, if you go onto the main website and scroll down, there's also all the other fonts that you can get hold of. There's the other tools that he has, like the logo overlay tool. I've done videos on all this stuff, and you can actually download the bits and pieces that you need, including having things like this, for example, which is the spooky Halloween font that I occasionally use at this time of year for my Walk Snail stuff. It just adds that extra bit of fun. So just a quick update to let you know that this tool is around. Again, if you have got into HDFPV, almost irrespective of the system you're using and also what the flight controller is inside your model, then check out the Sneaky FPV stuff. Again, I have videos on all of it. I'll put some links down below, but there's a new version of the tool and it's got some cool new features. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, go and check it out. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Painless 360 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.